Welcome to Vegan Ultra. I'm your inspiration guide, Adam Gallus, on this epic quest for health, hope, and happiness, in which I lose 150 pounds in 12 months on a whole food vegan diet while walking 3,000 miles to prove to myself, my family, and everybody watching on YouTube that we can all be the ultra versions of ourselves if we give it a chance and are powered by plants. Today is Food Friday, so I want to share with you the science-based magic of turmeric, the king of spices. This is Dr. Greger's absolute favorite spice, part of his daily dozen. And to see why, let's take a look. Nutrition facts, the How Not to Age citations. How Not to Age, wonderful book with 13,200 citations, 12 of which apply to turmeric. One of those being a benefit of mortality, reducing your risk of dying in any given year by 10%. Okay, what does that actually translate into? Well, let's take a look at the Blue Zone spreadsheet. Daily turmeric consumption, 10% reduction. That is, statistically speaking, around 2 extra years of life. That is basically slightly better than not drinking, and just below 2 to 4 daily servings of soy. But wait, it gets better. Take a look at the benefits of turmeric and make sure that you're taking it with ground pepper. 20 times less. A pinch of turmeric is all you need to increase the bioavailability or the absorption in your body by up to 20-fold. Okay, but what does turmeric actually do? It can treat ulcerative colitis, treat lupus, treat osteoarthritis, speed recovery from surgery, even treat Alzheimer's, fight cancer, improve endothelial function, so fighting heart disease, fighting diabetes, treating inflammatory eye conditions. But wait, there's more. That also improves liver function. Now, there are, of course, some side effects because this is actually helping your body. It is a phytochemical, very powerful one. So the key here is that the contraindications, it can cause upset stomachs. It does have some blood thinning properties. So if you are on coumarin, you want to talk to your doctor about potentially not taking turmeric. And as Dr. Greger points out, there is also some potential side effects in terms of gallstones and kidney stones. So this is why Dr. Greger recommends taking at least a quarter teaspoon of turmeric per day. But studies generally on the effects of turmeric look at 500 milligrams to 10,000 milligrams or 10 grams per day of curcumin, which is the active ingredient in this golden spice, which hails from India, land of so many super spices. So how much are we looking at in terms of the maximum safe dosage? 10,000 milligrams of curcumin. Well, let's turn to ChatGPT-4. We can see that on average, this amount of turmeric would be about 90 teaspoons per day or 30 tablespoons. So not the upper range for most of these studies, 2,000 milligrams per day, works out to 6 tablespoons. So basically, it is safe to take a lot. Okay, but how much are we talking about? Well, the cheapest I can find turmeric is about $5 per bottle at Walmart. So that is 79 cents per ounce. Okay, but what does that actually mean for Dr. Greger's recommended fourth of a teaspoon? Well, let's take a look. That works out to 2 cents per day. So, to put things in context, we have the benefits in terms of inflammatory. So, heart disease, It's also studies show not just Alzheimer's, but blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, pretty much any kind of anything to do with inflammation. You'll live longer. It's also delicious, and it's 2 cents a day. Now, think about this. Imagine Merck comes out and says, we have a drug that can help fight cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and make you live 2 years longer. And it costs how much? They would charge thousands per month and not be able to keep up with demand. Here, it's 60 cents per month. That bottle that I showed you from Walmart, that's 8 months supply of turmeric. Truly, one of nature's greatest gifts to humanity. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle. At least add turmeric and black pepper to your diet. Your body will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember, this is science-based magic and nutrition-fueled sorcery that's helped me to lose 100 pounds in 6 months, and it can help anybody become Captain America version of themselves if you give it a chance and are powered by plants.